And it also has the advanced editing features just like TikTok. So we'll hit done. Hey, if you are tired of trying to convert your YouTube videos into shorts by using a PC or an iMac and software, I'm gonna show you how you can actually do that right on your phone. It's gonna save you a ton of time. Now, YouTube rolled this out a few months ago and some were just now getting it. I got a notification on my phone the other day and I was so excited. So what you wanna do is go ahead and click on your profile picture, go to your channel and find one of your long form videos. Now you want to be on the YouTube app, not the YouTube Studio app, the actual YouTube app. So these are my video options and I want to make a short out of how to get 100K followers on TikTok. We'll click on that. Now because I know what section I pretty much want to do a short, I'm going to look at my chapters and we're going to select what types of videos to make down there in the middle. I'll click on that. Many don't know you can scroll over for more options. The same feature that lets you create shorts now has it embedded right there at the top, edit into a short, right from the same menu. It wasn't always there, now it is. Some got it a few months ago, I recently just got it myself, and you see it already does the vertical for you. Now of course what you want to do is slide the video over so you can center it. Now it's on a 15-second loop right now. Your top right corner is what you want to click on to change it to 60 seconds. So we'll click on that, now it says 60 seconds, and we will go to the part that I want to create a short. So this is the clip that I want to use for a short. If you have nothing to post and just to stay active, I'm going to use that as a short, and it's talking about using the video reply feature on TikTok. Gonna wait till it gets to the end. Boom, I like it. We'll hit next. Now, if you want, you could do a voiceover on top of this video. I don't want to do that personally. I could add text on the screen, and I will put TikTok tip number 3. So I will put TikTok tip number 3 to gain more. Let's put views. So we'll put that TikTok tip 3 to gain more views. Now you could, if you wanted to make it smaller or bigger, and hit done at the top right, put that up there. I'm gonna leave everything else. And it also has the advanced editing features just like TikTok. So we'll hit done. I'm gonna hit next. Now remember guys, this is straight from your phone. So now look at that, just that simple. So you don't have to use an iMac or a PC and try to purchase a software. It's already made public. I could add a title right there. How to, let's put increase views on TikTok. Just that simple. It's a short. It's either going to gain views on my channel or it won't. But you want to stay consistent when making these long form videos into shorts because it will gain you some traction. It will get you some views, subscribers. Lately, I've been posting shorts and I've been seeing 5 subscribers, 3 subscribers, 10 subscribers. On my other channel, 20 and 30 subscribers just by making a short. So you want to hop on this feature and take advantage of it while the getting is good. So we're going to go ahead and upload short. That's an actual video that I just uploaded. Make sure to check out that short and see how it's doing. Comment on that short and let me know, hey, I saw you when you did this tutorial and uploaded this short. I want to show you one more thing that you can do when you edit into a short. I'm just going to use the intro. I'm going to hit next. And when I hit next, notice it'll ask you to make it into a short, but go ahead and hit the back button. Hit the back button again, and now your intro is selected, but now you can add a live video to that, just like on TikTok. So I use the intro. Hey, I'm gonna show you how to get more views or followers on TikTok. I use that for my intro, and then boom, I'm here right now telling them how to get more views, and it's gonna go something like this. Make sure you are duetting videos that have over 1 million likes on TikTok in order for you to get more views, likes, shares, and comments, right? So I can hit next on that. How to get more engagement on TikTok. We'll hit upload. So now I just uploaded 2 shorts in a matter of 20 minutes because this new feature is helping me create content. Some also say call it repurposing content. You have a boatload of minutes in a video. How can I use this to make a spin-off of something? How can I chop it up and maybe make tips out of it? And so, hey guys, comment below, let me know, are you going to be using this new YouTube feature? Some already have it, some are just getting it rolled out to them. Let me know, how are you using it? How's it working out for you? All right, if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. That way I can continue to bring you tips and tricks like this on social media, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and other platforms. All right, and so until next time, I will see you in the next video.